Hey y'all, it's me, Jess, voiced over by Lammy, my boyfriend. Today we're gonna do some nails, so here's my colors. Here are all the tools in my arsenal. Got some nail filers, I don't know what that is, colorful, looks pretty. Here are my nails, of course, looking crazy. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yeah, my boyfriend was talking hella shit, so today we're gonna get some nails done. Yeah, none of that, Wakanda forever. Alright, so today we're going to start off with clipping my nails, even though I already don't have any, as I showed you earlier. But yeah, so this part is easy. Just kind of go through every finger and clip the rest of your nails. Make sure you don't got none left. That's how I like to have it. You know, I hope you guys are having a good day. Kashawn forever. It's our friend that passed away. Rest in peace. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through every other finger, clip every single nail. Get that dance, because this shit boring. So yeah. Oh shit, the fuck is that? Alright, we're done, whoop. Alright, so now we're gonna get the nail filer. And we're gonna file those nails down. Remember, I already cut all of my nails, so at this point I'm just following my skin here. JK. But yeah, so we're just gonna file everything down. Make sure you get the sides. Yeah, get the front, get the sides, get the back. Hey, hit the dance. Hey. Yep, you gotta dance where you do this too, for sure. Damn, look at all my boyfriend shit in the background. Motherfucker still hasn't put away his clothes yet. I'll stall them out though. So yeah, continue to file these nails down. Oh damn, look at all that dust that came out. She's knows. Dusty ass nails. Alright, now make sure you get the other side. That hair flip, sexy. Yeah, make sure you get that other side. I know this has to be tough because she got no nails here. So yeah, I knew this was a lot of work. Gotta scratch some elbows, itchy ass elbows. Bet that feels good though. Alright, so we're just gonna continue doing this for now. Quick pause. Gotta switch it up, switch some music up, because I'm not watching nothing. Let's see, can you guys guess what she's listening to? I'm gonna guess it's some Bad Bunny. Alright, so I know this is a time lapse, but the first time I saw it, I was like, damn, is she on some fucking cocaine or something? Some Adderall? She's moving fast as fuck. Boonchies. Hey. Alright, tired as fuck now. Alright, so now we're gonna get some rubbing alcohol, put these on the nails to dry them out, get ready for some paint, I imagine. My bad, I meant nail polish, but you know, if I'm getting these things right, leave a comment. Let me know. I'm curious. Alright, y'all, make sure to show them spirit fingers. There we go. Spirit fingers. Alright, so now to bring out the nail polish palette. Do they still call these palettes? Is it the same as makeup? Like this is a palette? Or is this just a box? Alright, so anyway, I'm gonna pull out some of these real quick. We're gonna do red. Put that back. Alright. Also let us know what color is your favorite. Like what's your go-to color whenever you're painting your nails. Alright, so what is this? This is some secret formula shit. Let's see, it looks clear. Oh, this must just be like the clear polish, right? Yeah, the clear coat. Alright, so apply this clear coat to each one of your nails. Alright, so we got the lavender here. Got the fancy lavender. Dry out that clear coat. Make sure your nails are dry. The clear coat is dry. And then we start applying. But first, poquito. We're gonna put that on the nail. It's one little coat of this. Wait, I feel so cheated. I thought the lavender was the actual color. This just looks like another clear coat that she's adding. But anyway, so you're gonna apply this to each one of your nails on top of the clear coat. So make sure you add the clear coat first, and then the lavender. All right, dry those off. Now let's see it. What is that? You look like a UFO, like a flying saucer. All right, so we're gonna plug this in. This must be one of those drying tools or something. 10 minutes later. 1 hour later. All right, so we're finally done plugging that in. Hopefully that didn't take too much time. So we're gonna put this to the side, and 1 minute, only 1 minute. So you put your hands in there. Hopefully they don't burn. You're gonna sit here and just chill, think about life. All right, so we're done drying, and now we're gonna apply some polish. I'm gonna try to guess this color here. I'm just gonna be basic as fuck and say this is bright red. But how about you guys try? Try in the comments, try guessing what the name of this color is. All right, so we're only gonna apply a very little tiny bit onto the nails. You know, make sure to get the corners too, so, no. Dang. See, I don't know, Jessica is so damn clumsy, but I'm sure this happens to everybody. So just get the nail polish remover and clean up. Easy recovery. But going back to how clumsy she is, typically I have to remove cups around her, especially if they're filled to the brim, and just kind of watch out for everything she does. So if y'all have boyfriends that have to do the same, look at that. If y'all have boyfriends that have to do the same because you're clumsy, then have them hit me up, because I feel like we need to have like a forum where we can share our experiences. See, if you know her or you don't know her and want to get to know her, ask her about how clumsy she is. I'm sure she has plenty of stories. Especially ask her how many times she's cut herself with the knife while cooking. Alright, so we're almost done here. You're gonna get the flying saucer. Put your hands in the flying saucer. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so new rule. We're gonna count how many times she does something clumsy in these videos. Even though the timing was on point, she's just saying to put your nails under that thing for 2 minutes. Wait, so is lavender the brand or the color? I feel stupid. Interesting. Oh, is she calling me stupid? Alright. Hell no. There's way too many coincidences in these voiceovers. Alright, 2 minutes to dry the nails. Make sure you're paying attention. Oh yeah, I got that right? Ooh, nice. Thanks. This feels like an episode of Dora. Alright, so we're gonna apply some rubbing alcohol to the top coat. You see, I know that because I read the polish earlier. Alright, so we're nearing the end of this video. Oh, I was right? Damn, okay. Hey, turn up. So yeah, so we have one hand done, one hand not done. We can do that later, but hit that dance. Alright, so this voiceover is done by Lamy. We're all done here, so make sure you subscribe and like. And also don't forget to drop comments. I want to know how well I've done. Catch you guys later.